guys, come check out this basement development we just wrapped up. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have a newly developed basement. The client really wanted something that could be open concept, could grow with their family as the family needs changed. So I'll give you a tour and explain some of the special details within this space. So here we have kind of an open concept. It's like a dry bar slash project area for the family. Here we have lots of storage with some custom cabinetry, lots of workspace on the countertops. We have some great floating shelves behind us here for display items and easy access, and also provides lots of room to work and do craft projects and whatnot for the family. Then in here into the living area, again, nice open space, has nice large windows for natural light, but we've done a good LED pot lighting grid to really light the space well. One thing to note as well is that we have the TV here. It is wall mounted. So a little tip is, in advance, think about your location. Here we have a raceway built in, so there's no wires visible. Nice clean finish, looks great. Throughout here we have an LVP floor product, and one thing to note is we did put a cork underlay beneath it to help soften the floor a bit and take that cold edge off of it. So it's a nice way to make the space feel much warmer. And then we'll show you here that we have this little closet area that was designed originally to be kind of a little arts and crafts space for the family, but as the family gets older and grows out of that, there's a lot of additional storage here now too. So it's a nice way to use a space and have it evolve along with the needs of your family. And we've tucked away the mechanical room. It's nice and out of sight and out of mind. And here we have what's currently a gym with the potential for use as a bedroom at a later date. So the client really wanted somewhere that they could work out, but also knew that as the family grew, there might be the need for another bedroom. So here we have now currently a great little gym space. Again, wall mounted the TV with a raceway, so nice and clean, nothing visually in the way. We've done some nice display shelving here, and that's something that we'll again create for easy access for the storage equipment or gym equipment, whatever it might be there, and give some convenient storage. Come check out the bathroom. It's the last thing I want to show you in here, and it's a remarkable space in its own. So generally the bathroom is kind of one of those spaces in your basement where it can really make or break your basement as far as how it feels when you walk in here. So this is a beautiful little space. And there's been a couple things they've done here to help save some money and reallocate those funds to really class up the space. So here we have an IKEA vanity, nice and clean, modern looking piece. Very practical, looks great. But by going with this is about half the price of going with a custom vanity with, say, a quartz countertop. And here there's some money left over now to be able to do a nice penny tile backsplash around the wall-mounted vanity. Also, as you get into the shower, now we have this nice linear niche. Creates a great focal point, as well as very practical and plenty of storage within the shower. We've gone with a nice glass barn door sliding door system in here, which looks nice and clean. It's frameless. And also we've added a handheld in the shower, which is great, not just for bathing and tidying and whatnot, but when you have kids or pets, for example, it's a nice way to be able to help clean up as well. So it's a great addition into any basement shower. Again, this basement is nice and bright. There's lots of natural light, but then the lighting in here, there's plenty of LED panel lights, or known affectionately as pot lights. Really brightens up the space. We have some decorative task lighting. Looks great. And like every basement, you want it to feel nice and bright and inviting. That certainly has been accomplished here. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great day.